菲律賓阿克蘭省長米拉弗洛斯去年8月初來到台南締結姐妹市，旋即響應去年11月的大台南國際旅展，展現雙方友好互動。為進一步加固雙邊情誼與未來發展，黃偉哲15日深夜飛抵菲律賓，16日一早便啟程前往省府，與省長米拉弗洛斯、省議員朱比特以及行政長官安提會晤，洽談未來合作構想。
A total number of graduates every year that is growing.
That's college for graduate.
College, that's 4 years courses. So this year we were able to graduate 4,500, and in the coming years we are seeing an increase of around 10 to 20%.
Excellent.
Yeah, and these are actually good students for tourism. We also have a lot of teachers, caregivers.
Right.
We can train
their English speaking.
Yes.
English speaking. 非常高興能夠來到菲律賓的我們的友誼城市阿克蘭省，那跟我們非常友善的好朋友省長一起來拜訪他的辦公室，也這個洽談一些雙方的進一步的一些交流與合作，包括學生的，包括運動的，也包括未來經濟發展的。那台南市可能我們也會跟我們的商業總會跟工業總會一起來這邊來做一個訪問團，將來尋求進一步經濟合作的機會。
訪問期間，碰巧遇到阿克蘭省當地最重要的慶典阿提阿提汗節，訪問團也受邀參與遊行，親身感受阿提阿提汗的熱情與歡樂。
The Ati-Atian Festival. This is for our patron, the Santo Niño de Calibo. So the Santo Niño is very special to us. He gives us all the blessings, not only for our family but for our community. So during this week-long celebration, we pray and we thank the Santo Niño for everything that He has given to us. So we have been doing this for centuries here in Aklan, and we are continuing the tradition in merrymaking, dancing in the streets with the beat of the drums, and a little drinking in the streets. So we have
come visit Aklan.
Yes, so come visit Aklan. This is the Ati-Atian Festival is every January of every year. So I hope that our friends from Tainan can experience this beautiful celebration.
激昂鼓樂，熱情腳步，阿提阿提汗節有如嘉年華般的狂歡氣息，令人印象深刻。黃偉哲這趟也向省長發出邀請，希望阿克蘭省能參加南瀛國際民俗藝術節。若一切順利，市民朋友在今年10月也能親身感受阿克蘭省熱情獨特的民俗慶典魅力。記者張碩維，菲律賓採訪報道。